Hey, what's going on, guys? Neil here, bringing you a brand new video. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. I apologize for my little absence off of YouTube. I've been dealing with a lot of stuff in my personal life and my business as well. But I'm back better than ever, and I'm ready to put out some great content for you guys, so stay tuned for all that. Definitely going to be doing some more videos on momentum trading and my strategies as far as momentum trading goes. I'll also be doing another video on why I started my business, which is N2S Capital, how it's going to help me moving forward and how it could possibly help you if you're a trader or whatever you might want to do moving forward. So let's get right into this video. I just wanted to cover a trade that I made this past week or two on TECL, and I want to talk about covering for profits, and I want to talk about going into a trade with a plan and when you cover profits when you're in the green like I was. So today we got the TECL. I got the 1 minute chart pulled up here. So I sold near the end of the day yesterday at around this point right here. I sold right before this huge sell-off. I got out around 146.70, I believe it was. So right at the top of this red candle, I sold. That definitely was a good price point to sell at. I was in for about 134 or something, and I was out in the 146s. I'm definitely, you can tell from the thumbnail, I'm going to make a thumbnail my entry and exit and my profit. So on this trade, I was able to profit $1,000, which obviously I was happy with. So going into this trade, my goal for this trade was to get about 10% and then cover for profits unless I saw more potential for growth and an uptrend. So what I did yesterday, kind of show you my entry points and where I was thinking of selling and stuff like that. So obviously we had this huge dip. This dip by around $100 would have been immense if I was able to buy then. As you can see, the RSI was super low. So when the RSI is below 30, that means it's oversold. Usually a good dip buy. When the RSI is over 70, it usually means it's overbought. So I bought in on this little downfall right here in the 130 range, 134, right? It dipped a little more. I understood the pattern and that the RSI was bottoming out more. I held on to it. It swung back up, and as you can see, it hit highs of 149.65 this morning before dumping. So obviously I could have got out for a few more dollars, which would have translated to a few $100 more profit. But I'm definitely not worried about that. I'm happy I covered for profits and I stuck to my plan. So I was up about 10%. And yesterday I was looking at the 4-hour chart. I like to look at the 4-hour chart when I'm looking on a more longer term standpoint. You can even look at the daily, but the daily, that's a very long term standpoint. You're going to be looking at a yearly chart if you pull up the daily, which I'll pull up for you real quick. As you can see on the daily, it never hit oversold or overbought. Sorry, it never hit overbought, never hit 70 or above. But on the 4-hour, I could tell that every time, if you looked at the pattern, I was just looking at patterns here. If you looked at the pattern, every time the RSI hit 70 or above, it had a pullback. Hit 70 or above, had a pullback, and that pullback was reflected in the price as well. Obviously, this is a good long-term play if you're looking to get in the stock market. It's a 3 times bull ETF with major holdings in Apple, Verizon, Intel, Microsoft. You can Google it and see their major holdings. But I saw this pattern. I identified the uptrend. I was up 10%, which was my goal, on 80 shares, and that was about 1,000 profit. It was actually exactly 1,000 profit, which is pretty cool. And I identified my play. I zoomed in on the chart. I saw that yesterday RSI hit 70. I sold, and now today, as you can see on the 1 minute chart, has had a big sell-off all the way down to 141, and it's kind of slowly recovering off this bottom view up, but barely. I mean, until it confirms an uptrend, I'm really going to be weary to get back in. As you can see on the 4-hour, we're still at about a 57 RSI. I'm looking for it to possibly pull back a little more before I re-enter into this trade long term. But I'm definitely looking to re-enter, and I'll keep you guys updated on when I do re-enter and for what price and how many shares. So let me know if you guys have any questions on this. Sorry about this red line right here. That was just something I drew by accident earlier. But let me know if you guys have any questions on how to read RSI and how it can help you with your trades. Definitely can help you with your entries and exits. And my biggest thing is have a plan and stick to it. My plan for this trade was to get about 10% out of it. I got exactly that. I identified that we were near the top, and I sold near the top. So I'm definitely very happy with this trade. 1K in profit. Great way to start my week. I sold off yesterday, so great way to start my week on a Monday. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys have any video recommendations or what you guys have been trading recently, or what other type of videos you guys would like me to put out, whether it be in stocks or crypto or business in general. I really appreciate all the support. Check out the links below. Join my Discord chat, and there we give out free callouts on stocks and crypto. Those are live callouts. Definitely check out the other links below if you're trying to get started trading stocks. Check out the Robinhood link. If you're trying to get started trading crypto, check out the Coinbase link. And all my crypto donation links are down below, and all those donations go back to helping this channel, looking to buy new editing software and some new hardware as well, like a new desktop and monitor, like I've said in past videos. So I really appreciate all the support. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.